What's up guys, Shane here from Fugatech 3D Printing, and today we're checking out some lights so we can make this place a little bit brighter. Let's check it out. Welcome back guys. So as you know, I'm in my new space here. Lighting is horrible. I got this one ceiling light right there. It's just bad news, and I've been wanting to buy a new kit. So I went ahead and used a gift card that I got from you guys using my Amazon affiliate links, and I picked this up on Amazon. So this is EMART. It's 2 LED softboxes. So I figured they're LEDs, so they're gonna be low heat. I didn't want to heat up this tiny room any more than it already is. I'm gonna be sweating by the time this video is done anyways. And I wanted something that would be easily portable and super lightweight. These are pretty light, probably say weigh about maybe 15 pounds for them. I need something to cut this open with, here we go. So, let's see what they are. So we got a nice little case here. Zippity zip. All right, so it's got a nice case to it. And we've got a couple boxes here, a box here, instructions. These are probably gonna be the soft boxes. And these are gonna be the tripods. Case down there, that's a nice padded bag. I kinda like that. These are all taped shut too, son of a gun. Now these are pretty low power. They're 45 watt. And as I said, there's 2 of them. I figured that would be more than enough for lighting this small space. And these are just standard light stands. They're nothing special. I didn't need anything special. I don't know, actually I want to find some without them, but it's going to be a while till I get my spare light stands here, so I figured for the money I couldn't go wrong. So speaking of money, I believe these were $90 or $92, something like that. It was a lower cost, not super expensive, because I honestly didn't, A, couldn't afford that right now, and B, I didn't want anything that crazy, especially for this kind of space. It's not like I'm going to have this grand studio here. It's just not going to happen. So inside these boxes we have power cable and the LED. It's that super duper annoying loud plastic, so bear with me. Okay, so here's the light. It's adjustable on the neck here. And they have there's a 5500K and a 2700K setting. We're going to be using the 5500, and a nice bright white light I like having. And then we have a volume knob basically, which is just going to be the brightness, the intensity of it. So we're going to turn it all the way down for now. And then there is a DC 24 volt thing, power input here. So there are ones with batteries on them, not this particular brand, but there are some out there that have them, the LED ones, and I didn't buy that for 2 reasons. One, I'd have to spend the money on batteries. Number 2, I'd have to ship batteries, which wouldn't really work because my mail system would have rejected it. I can't get batteries unless they're installed inside of something here. That's not good. And buying it locally or having it shipped through local post is just not gonna happen. Let me get this one out now. Okay, so we have 2 lights, we have 2 power bricks. Now let's take a look at well, I guess we should probably look at the directions. Or we can always do the guide thing and not. Let's see. Well, it tells you how to get the softbox together, and that's about it. So let's pull the softboxes out. So it has 4 poles. It has the reflector. The bag goes with the bag. So here is the softbox. It's a good size one. It's not big by any means, but it's not small either. It goes in the back here. Do it vertical like. Oh, that's in there. It's hard for you guys to see. I apologize for that. There's no really easy way for me to show this because I don't have a overhead camera right here right now. But now that that's done, we're going to take the 4 poles. These are just some aluminum poles, and they get put in here somehow. So it looks like in there maybe. Does that look right? Nah, I don't know. You guys know? Because I don't know. I don't know. It doesn't say. Nor does it hint at all either. So we're just gonna go with it. See what happens. Okay, that does look right now that it's in there. But now I gotta fix the Velcro to strap onto these now. Definitely, we're not one for directions on this thing. So we'll figure it out. Okay. Looks about right there. So that's the reflector with the light in there. It's, yeah, I guess that's right. Seems legit, right? All right, so now we got this. That's barely connected. Let me try and fix this one more time here. And we have the diffuser here to go on. And it just has some Velcro on the sides, just like this does. So you can flip this up. The corners have notches on them, so it can actually go on like a fitted sheet on your bed. That's probably the worst analogy ever, but I guess it works. Bam, that's it. There's one softbox. Let's see how bright it is. Whoa, there we go, look at that. That's all the way down. That's all the way up. Whoa. That is not too shabby. And if we turn this all the way up here, I could probably turn out that light and just reflect it off the ceiling. Ceiling's white. I don't know. But like I said, they're really nice and lightweight. Got off, and then we got, oh. You know what? I kind of like that. I kind of like that a little bit better than the white. What do you guys think? Okay, so this is 2700K. I don't know what my camera set to right now. It's on manual, but so there's 2700K there. Off. And there's the 5500. That's really white and like surgical. I might go with this. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. Let's get the other one out and take a look at them. I will. Oh, real quick before I do that, I will say there is a small fan in here that sounds like it's blowing against the back of the LEDs, which is critical. So LEDs don't emit very much heat, but they do create a fair bit of heat, especially whatever they're sitting on. So if it's usually if you have like a strip of LEDs, the back of them gets rather hot. It's not the front end; it's the back end where all the circuitry is, where the traces are, because these are 24 volt. That's significant for an LED, especially for like consumer LEDs and whatnot. That's pretty high in comparison. So just, I guess that's kind of nice to know. Hopefully that fan lasts. Who knows? We'll be right back. Boom, that one's done. Okay, now let's get these on the stands. Where's stands go? Here. So these are standard light stands. If you've ever used them before, they've got a 1/4-20 screw here on the top. And they have this this shaft that is tapered in the middle there, and that way these can attach onto them. Let's see if I can figure out how to show you this. Now here on the back, there's a screw. We're gonna take the screw out, put this down here. Of course, not too short. And this just fits right in. And then you can redo the screw. Probably gotta take off that stopper on the top so it can go all the way up in it. Because there is a spot. No, there isn't a spot. That might be as good as it gets, I guess. Yeah, it's about as good as it gets. And we'll take it off, see what happens. There it is. It's on there like so. All right, let me get the second one. Let's see how this all looks. Whoa. Okay, back again once I get the lighting set up here. Okay, so I've set them both up, and it's a little bright still, I think. I might need to change up a little bit. At least it's bright for me looking that way. It doesn't look that bright on me, but you kind of see the glare up here. Hopefully I will have stuff up there eventually to maybe help against the glare. I don't know yet, but I look normal color, I guess. The white paper looks white. Skin tone looks okay, I think. I'm here looking at my little monitor down here. Let me know what you guys think about this. What do you think about this color one? I'm going to go ahead and switch it over to the 58 or 5500K, adjust the camera, and we'll see how it looks. Right back. Okay, so this is there was 2700K before, sorry about that. This is 5500K, and the ceiling light is off, which has eliminated the glare that was up here. That's not too bad. There is still glare now right here behind my head, again because that wall was very shiny, but I think actually it's better. The white seemed a little less harsh on my eyes. I can see having the yellow, the 2700K was a little rough to look at when I look this way, but I think this is okay. I mean, I think the color is good. I can see everything very well. I would like eventually to switch out those bulbs to some 5500s just to kind of match this. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you like this one better, or do you like the 2700K better? Let me know what you guys think about that. Again, so I picked this up on Amazon. It was, again, under $100. These are 27 by 20 inch, 45 watt dimmable, dual color, temperature, portrait and video shooting. Just constant light. Again, I think this will be a nice change here. Might look a little bit better, a little more professional. And then the next thing after this is to fix the echoing sound, which I really do hope to fix that soon. We'll see how it goes. I am also using, because I only have 4 outlets in this room for now, I have to try and get some more in here. I'm using some Amazon Basics power supplies. These just came in today. I got 2 of these smaller ones. They're 6. They only have a looks like about a 2-foot cable on them, and then I do have 2 more that have like a 5 or 6 foot cable on them. I think it's maybe 6 foot, 6 or 8, and that is just so I can kind of reach ones that are behind the desk, or if I need to route something up a little higher to these printers, I can do that and have multiple printers plugged in at one time. So use these as caution, please, because these are you know, not necessarily always recommended, but just use caution. These little ones are 200 joule protection. The big ones are 780 joule or 750 joule, I think they are. So they will help protect against some things, and I really am worried about any type of power spike, so I'm hoping these will help protect some of the printer power supplies. All right, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little bit of the kind of me just kind of unboxing the videos. I wanted to do this just to kind of see what I was, so you guys could see what I had bought, how I'm setting it up, the differences it gets, and maybe you have a little studio just like mine that you need some affordable lighting. You guys can go ahead on Amazon. The links will be down below to check that out. If you guys choose to buy with my link, I get a little slice of that back here, and I really do greatly appreciate that. I don't know how long these will last. You know, the reviews were generally good on Amazon. You can check those out per that link again. Reviews were generally good. I'm hoping that these will last me a while. If I get a year or 2 out of them, I'll consider that a success. $100 for a year of video making. I think it's not too bad. The longer they last, if they last all 3 years while I'm here, I'm totally up for that. Let me know what you guys think, and if you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you dislike me putting this kind of content out, you didn't like the way I did the video, please thumbs down and talk to me in the comments down there. Either way, I want to hear from you guys what you think. If you guys want to stay tuned what's going on, hit that subscribe button. Bell icon gives you the email notifications when I upload new content. If you guys want to support me financially and you want to get in on my after show, make sure you become a Patreon. It only takes $1 to become a patron, and you get access to all my behind the scenes videos that I'll be doing after every one of the new videos that I am posting. So my current Patreons, thank you guys for being a part of that. And if you guys want to donate to me on a single basis, or stream tips, or buy me a coffee down there, appreciate that. Or if you want to use the affiliate links either to buy these or do any of your other daily shopping, use the affiliate links down below. And I appreciate what you guys do, even if it is watch a video and let the ads play. Thanks for watching, guys, and until next time, happy printing.